and in this bulletin you will get today's all the big updates of Himachal Pradesh in one go. So starting today's bulletin and moving to the first news, the couple who came to Shimla as a tourist were arrested from the hotel with drugs. The state narcotics cell has arrested a Chandigarh couple who came to Shimla as tourists with drugs. 62 grams of drugs and 45,000 cash have been recovered from their possession. The accused have been identified as Gurvinder, aged 36, and Sanjana, aged 35, residents of Panchkula. According to the preliminary investigation, both are husband and wife and have been supplying drug peddlers in Shimla for about 1.5 years. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, battle for BJP tickets intensifies in Himachal's Arki. After the announcement of Himachal Pradesh by-election, the BJP State Election Committee meeting is yet to be held. Before that, the battle of BJP ticket has intensified in Arki. Arki's former MLA Govind Ram Sharma again has become vocal. He said this time he has the right on the ticket and told that he went to New Delhi to meet the party's national president Jagat Prakash Nadda. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, decision will be taken today on regularization of thousands of employees in Himachal. Decision will be taken on Thursday on the regularization of various categories of employees, including contract employees who have completed 3 years in Himachal Pradesh on September 30. Although this process is adopted every year, but after the model code of conduct comes into force due to the by-election, now the department will take a decision on whether to take permission from the CEO office to release this list. At present, various departments have started collecting the details of employees regarding regularization. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, JBT and CNB teachers will be transferred unconditionally on their consent. Notification issued. JBT and CNB teachers appointed in government schools of Himachal Pradesh will now be able to transfer inter-district on their consent unconditionally. The Education Department has issued a notification of the cabinet decision giving relief to the 43,000 teachers of the state. In the cabinet meeting held recently, the government has reduced the condition of 13 years to 5 years for the inter-district transfer of teachers of these two categories. The quota of 3% fixed for transfer has also been increased to 5%. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, there will be recruitment of 8,000 multitask workers after Diwali. The application process will continue. Himachal Pradesh Education Department will recruit 8,000 multitask workers after Diwali. Due to the by-elections, the appointments have been pushed forward by a month. However, the application process for these posts will continue. Due to model election code of conduct, the Education Department will not now be able to make appointments till November 5. 4,000 posts are to be filled on the recommendation of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, and remaining 4,000 posts will be filled on the basis of application. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, again blunder in the question paper, out of syllabus. In the postgraduate examination of Himachal Pradesh University, the issue of question paper coming from outside the syllabus has come again to the fore. This time in the examination of MA Public Administration 4th semester, questions related to the 2nd semester were asked. When the matter reached the controller of examination, after investigation, the examination was cancelled. Now HQ will conduct the exam again. Moving ahead in today's bulletin, Code of Conduct on Police Constable Recruitment. Department wrote letter to Election Commission. The proposed police recruitment for 1,334 constable posts starting from October 1 is now stuck due to the Model Code of Conduct of the Election Commission of India. By the way, after the permission of the state government, the police headquarters had issued a notification on September 10 to fill these posts. It was clarified in the notification that a separate notification will be issued regarding the schedule, district recruitment, committee recruitment of the concerned district. District-wise and category-wise reservation of the recruitment will also be notified separately. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, Congress Election Committee will send a panel of 3 names to the High Command. The Election Commission will send a panel of 3 names each to the Congress High Command for the by-elections to the Mandi Parliamentary Constituency, Arki, Fatehpur and Jubbal Kothari Assembly constituencies of Himachal Pradesh. State Congress President Kuldeep Singh Rathore said that the State Election Committee meeting will be held on October 2nd at 11:30 am at Congress headquarters, Rajiv Bhavan, Shimla. In this, after brainstorming, a panel of 3 names will be decided for the by-elections. The Election Committee will prepare a panel of 3 names and give it to State President. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, DDMA will give 50,000 rupees compensation to the families of those who lost their lives due to COVID. Notification issued. Families of common people who lost their lives due to COVID in Himachal Pradesh will get rupees 50,000 as compensation. The state government has authorized District Disaster Management Authorities (DDMA) of all the districts to make payments. The Revenue Department has also issued its notification. The victim's family has to apply through the prescribed claim form along with the necessary documents. The amount will be given through Aadhaar linked direct benefit transfer (DBT) within 30 days of applying, along Along with this, a 4-member grievance redressal committee has been constituted, which will decide the cause of death and claim disputes. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, which tells us about the COVID situation in this state. 3 infected, including 10-day-old baby, died in Himachal. 205 new cases in last 24 hours. 3 corona-positive patients, including a 10-day-old baby, died in Himachal on Wednesday. The disease belongs to Jahu of Hamirpur district, who was born in Tanda hospital. At the same time, a 65-year-old woman and a 73-year-old infected elderly died in Mandi. At the same time, in last 24 hours, 205 new positive cases have been registered in this state. So far, there have been 218,819 cases of corona in this state. Of these, 213,430 people have been recovered from COVID-19. Active cases in the state have gone up to 1,793. Out of these, there are 167 active cases in Bilaspur district, 22 in Chamba, 419 in Hamirpur, 532 in Kangra, 38 in Kinnor, 41 in Kullu, 4 in Lahore Spiti, 236 in Mandi, 185 in Shimla, 5 in Silmoor, 49 in Solan, and 95 in Una. During the last 24 hours, 92 patients have recovered from COVID-19 in the state, and samples of 9,713 people have been taken for corona examination. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, expenditure limit for campaigning of candidates in parliamentary seat increased by 7 lakhs. By-election candidates will now be able to spend 77 lakhs on campaigning. The Election Commission has increased the expenditure limit from 70 lakhs to 77 lakhs. They will also give videography of the voting process from the postal ballot above the age of 80 years and disabled voters who are unable to move. The concerned assistant returning officer will make complete arrangements. Booth level officers will visit the homes of eligible voters who wish to vote through postal ballot and get them filled in the application form. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, price of packed sugar will not increase in government ration depots. Ration card holder consumers of Himachal Pradesh will now get packed sugar at the current price in depots. The state government has pulled out of increasing the price of packed sugar. The government has decided to bear the cost of the packet itself. At present, open sugar is being given to the consumers in the depots. Sugar gets wet due to rain. In such a situation, there is a possibility of failure of sugar samples. People also complain about wet sugar. In such a situation, the government has decided to give packed sugar. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, in tribal areas, 74% voters voted in the first phase. In the first phase of Himachal Pradesh Panchayati Raj institution elections, polling was held at 170 polling stations of 39 Gram Panchayat. During this, 74% voters exercised their franchise. Secretary State Election Commission Dr. Keval Ram Sehgal informed that the highest voter turnout was 88% in village Panchayat Kumar of Pangi Development Block of District Chamba. The counting of votes of District Council and Panchayat Committee will be held on October 4 at the block headquarters. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, Alka Lamba said, save the youth of Himachal from drugs. Nadda and Anurag Sidhu's time in politics is complete. Congress National Spokesperson Alka Lamba said that a commission should be constituted under the chairmanship of a Supreme Court judge to investigate the drug consignment case caught in Gujarat. Punishment should be given to the guilty. After hearing them in the fast track court, drug addiction is destroying the young generation of Himachal Pradesh. He said that it is the responsibility of BJP National President JP Nadda and Union Minister Anurag Thakur to take up this matter from the center and save the young generation of the state by getting destroyed by drugs. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, CM Jairam said BJP will announce candidates on October 7. In Himachal Pradesh, the BJP will open its card in Navratris regarding the candidates who will contest the by-elections. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said that BJP would announce the candidates on October 7, a day before the last date of nomination. He said that the strong candidates will be fielded in the election fray. On Wednesday, CM reached Suraj from Shimla by Akarsov and took the blessings of Mother Shikhari Devi. He will attend BJP meetings in Siraj on September 30 and October 1st. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, Minister Virendra Kanwar said department will plant 1 lakh cinnamon plants in 5 districts. In Himachal government, rural development and Panchayati Raj and Agriculture Minister Virendra Kanwar started cinnamon plantation program in 5 districts from Tano Panchayat of Kultlahar. He planted saplings in Tano and said that in next 1 year, 1 lakh cinnamon plants would be planted in 5 districts of this state. He said that Una, Kangra, Hamirpur, Bilaspur and Silmoor have been selected for the plantation of cinnamon. He said that the environment has been found favorable in these districts for planting cinnamon plants. Moving on to the last news of today's bulletin, Youth Congress President Nigam Bhandari expressed ticket claim from Mandi parliamentary seat. As soon as the by-elections are announced in Himachal Pradesh, State Youth Congress President Negi Nigam Bhandari has also decided to stake claim from the ticket from Mandi parliamentary seat. In a press conference held at the State Congress headquarters Rajiv Bhavan, Shimla on Thursday, Bhandari said that on October 2, Sanjay Dutt, the co-in-charge of the State Congress, has called a meeting. In the meeting, he will present his candidature to contest from Mandi parliamentary constituency. The election committee will send a panel of 3 names each to the Congress High Command for the by-elections of Mandi parliamentary constituency, Arki, Fatehpur, Jubbal, Kothari assembly constituencies of the state. So that's it for today's bulletin, guys. We will meet you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.